Good morning, students. Hope you understand the concept of productivity. Means it is a relative term. Now we are going to cover how to measure the productivity. Measurement of productivity, you can say, a types of productivity, you can say. The basic objective behind productivity measurement is to study performance of a system over a period of time, to have a relative comparison of different systems for a given level, to compare the actual productivity of the system with the plant productivity. You can measure productivity in three manners: partial productivity, total factor productivity, and total productivity. Now, one by one, a partial productivity. It may be defined as on the basis of class of input being considered. Example, if labor is increased by 18% during last financial year, its effect on the increased output is represented by productivity. आपने 18% लेबर इंक्रीज करा, अब उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या पड़ा हमारी प्रोडक्टिविटी में, हमारे आउटपुट में, आप उसे कंपेयर कर सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोडक्टिविटी. इट is a good diagnostic measure to identify area where improvement is needed. Different form of partial productivity or different types of productivity, you can also say that are in this table. See, okay, first labor productivity. लेबर प्रोडक्टिविटी आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? टोटल रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्शन, और यू कैन से द ग्रॉस वैल्यू एडेड ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड बाय एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन लेबर, और यू कैन से एवरेज डेली एम्प्लॉयमेंट कितना हमारा है. ग्रॉस वैल्यू एडेड और टोटल रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम प्रोडक्शन मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट जो भी होगा माइनस रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट. फाइन. एंड एवरेज डेली एम्प्लॉयमेंट मीन्स एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन लेबर आप कैसे निकालेंगे? टोटल पर्सन इन ऑल शिफ्ट डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ डेज दे वर्कड. To understand the effect of increase or decrease in the hiring of labor and see how they perform, we can use a labor productivity or human productivity. Then material productivity, number of unit produced divided by cost of material. Then capital productivity, you see इनपुट एंड आउटपुट रिलेशन, जो आउटपुट उस पर्टिकुलर इनपुट से रिलेटेड जो आउटपुट है आप उसी को ले रहे हैं. ओके. देन कैपिटल प्रोडक्टिविटी, द टर्नओवर डिवाइडेड बाय कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड. देन एनर्जी प्रोडक्टिविटी, आउटपुट डिवाइडेड बाय एनर्जी इनपुट. एडवर्टीजमेंट एंड मीडिया प्लानिंग प्रोडक्टिविटी, द आउटपुट डिवाइडेड बाय एडवर्टीजमेंट एंड मीडिया प्लानिंग इनपुट. जो भी कॉस्ट आपने उस पर्टिकुलर एडवर्टीजमेंट में इनकर करिए वो आप इसमें यूज करते हैं. And same with other your expenses also. Fine. Then we have total factor productivity. It is the ratio of the net output to the sum of labor and capital input. This method is preferred as it is easy to compare in cross industry context also. आप इंडस्ट्री में भी जो है कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं या अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स के साथ कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर मेथड. इट इन्वॉल्व अ डिसएडवांटेज एज मैनी important inputs such as material, energy, etc. are ignored sometime. Fine. The total factor productivity, because you are taking only factors over here, the formula is total factor productivity equals to net output divided by labor plus capital input. Fine. Then we have total productivity. Total productivity means it is the ratio of the total output to the sum of all input factors. Since it contains all the input and output factor, thus it is more accurate representation of the real economic performance of the organization. It is easy for top management to understand the company performance with the help of this. It study with the partial productivity reveal the focus area of the improvement. Since it is include total factor summation, hence it is difficult to generate a company-wide and sector-wise data. While calculating total productivity, many indirect measures of input and output are ignored. Fine. And see productivity index. Now, it shows total kind of productivity measurement. Fine. Labor productivity, market material productivity, capital, energy, machine and raw material productivity. Means it is a सेम पार्शियल प्रोडक्टिविटी ही है बट प्रोडक्टिविटी इंडेक्स के नाम से. इफ यू कंबाइन ऑल दिस थिंग टोटल फैक्टर प्रोडक्टिविटी इंडेक्स, तो इट मीन्स द फॉर्मूला इज output divided by all the factors, labor, capital and other input whatever you are using, then it become total factory productivity index. Okay, now the way to improve productivity. It can be improved either by proper use of resources or by effective utilization of system or the process. Like machine, these are the area of focus and the agenda. Machines, you can manual labor are replaced by the machines. Reliable machines you can use, automation you can use. Then management, you can motivate the workforce, better planning and coordination, effective control process you can use to make a management effective. Process, you computerization of system and use management information system, improvement in scheduling, better material flow. You can improve the productivity. You can improve productivity in work design by improving job design, better work method, on the job training also. Work environment, you can improve productivity by better lighting and illumination, better ventilation, safe workplace, and with the help of total quality management also you can improve the productivity. You can improve productivity by in the program by quality circle, by suggestion schemes and by incentive schemes or revised pay or policy. These are the way to improve productivity. You can improve productivity in technological sector by acquiring new technology, acquiring computer control machines or use automatic machine guiding vehicles and all. You can improve manufacturing performance or manufacturing strategy by changing a manufacturing system from functional to cellular layout if it is a batch production unit. Adopt a stockless production or keep workplace clean, environmental friendly also. Then you can improve productivity by external environment, better political stability, by boosting economy and purchasing capacity of the buyer, by globalization, open market economy. All these are the agenda, or you can say way to improve productivity in the relative focus areas. In next class, we will cover a factor affecting productivity. Thank you for the day, students.